Hello everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Friday the 19th of February. Looking at Eurodollar now, and we've had this sort of correction, this slide in Eurodollar over the last few days, sort of 5 days of negative candles, and we're now back at that 111 figure area. Is this sort of a correction into support? I still think it is. I think it's getting really tested, and I'm certainly sort of on the limit of having to change my outlook, but I still think this could be a nice little retreat into the band of support at 111, with that big pivot, the big long-term pivot, 110.50 to 111. What this is the hourly chart actually. You're actually still sliding lower, lower highs, lower lows. So you'd look at this level from yesterday, 1068, the low. As I think if we get, let's just go back a little bit further. If we get a close, I'm saying a close below 1085, I think would be your signal that you've sort of lost the impetus in this rally. This is still a big support band between 1050 and 11 figure. Don't get me wrong, but I think the sort of impetus in this move higher, I think would have been lost. And certainly this the momentum indicators with the hourly RSI now failing under 60 is not positive, and certainly the MACD lines under neutral as well is not good either. So you're looking out for sort of using these lines as your guide, really. I think if you saw, once again, if you saw the RSI above 60, for example, on the hourly chart, I think that would be considerate of probably a move higher. Now, in the last couple of hours, as the European trading session got going, you've had a big bearish candle here on the hourly chart, where you saw initially a move higher, turn around, moved lower. You've actually had a key 1 hour bearish engulfing pattern, or key 1 hour reversal, and it seems as though that it's putting pressure back on the downside again. So the bears are certainly still sort of in control near term, and they really are on the brink of, I believe, sort of now questioning the this breakout level. So I'm still hopeful that the bulls can sort of regather their sort of control of this. Now you've got a consistent run here of lower highs, lower lows on the daily basis. Obviously yesterday's low was 1068, so that on an intraday basis that becomes a bit of a support, and 1050, I think ultimately if you break below 1050 on an intraday basis as well, that would be sort of pretty much sort of turning around and saying to the bulls that they've lost control. So few signs here certainly that the bulls are under pressure, but it's not confirmed by any means yet, and I think today could be pivotal in this move. Obviously, you've got inflation data today for the US, so that could well have a sharp impact on this chart. 1:30 today, so watch out for that. But with that in mind, I'll give you all my best and wish you good luck, and I'll speak to you later.